What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I am a mother and also a makeup lover, of course. Actually, for today's video, so I was actually scrolling through my Instagram when it came up upon the the memories a year ago, and I did this really colorful look. Basically, I just wanted to kind of do the same concept, but just more updated, more like this, just kind of updated, more what I wanted, like what I do now. I am just going to be doing my eyes in today's video since there is so much going on with the eyes. They are so colorful. I really wanted to take the time to just kind of, the details. The devil is in the details, okay? So if you want to see how I created this super stunning color splash look, then you already know what to do. Please just keep on watching. So I have a movie on in the background for my kiddos. So I wanted to just apologize in advance for that. But I'm just priming my eyelid as I always do with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2. Going in with my Carnival XL Pro palette. So I think I'm gonna start by taking this shade right here, which is called Influence, which I feel like hopefully will be a dark pink because that's the vibe I'm going for. So I'm just gonna take this and put it right in this inner little corner. I'm gonna go through so many brushes today, I already know it. Then I'm gonna take the shade Wasted. I'm gonna pack this down right here. Then I'm going to take the shade Mood and the shade Nuke. So I'm just going to go through with the same brushes and just kind of diffuse these and make them really like the edges soft so I could start blending them out with my other color. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Funky, which is a hot, pink. And I'm going to use that to buff this out. And I'm also going to take the hot pink Pep Talk. This is like a Pepto-Bismol pink. Look at that, effortless blend. Okay. Purple. There's not really too many, true purples in this palette. So I am going to take some purples out of my Carnival 3, Love Tahiti. And I'm going to take the shade, let's see. I think I'm going to take the shade grape and Tahiti. And now for that blue, I'm going to take the shade Showboat. And I'm gonna take the shade, Y though, on a more fluffy brush. And then I'm gonna take the shade, the Hype and Ecstasy to blend out the green. So starting with the Hype. So now I'm going to go through all of the colors in that same order and really deepen them up and perfect them. I really want the darks to be dark, but I want it to fade into a nice, like, soft wash of color throughout the whole thing. Look how many brushes I used for that. Oh my gosh. Whenever we go out, the people will shout. I'm going to take the maroon shade Reckless. And I'm going to put this right in here. I'm gonna go back into the Carnival 3 because I really want this super, super deep red. So I'm gonna take the shade Chili Pepper. This little corner, I'm gonna go back and fix that. So I'm just gonna ignore it for now because I wanna go and lay these colors down while my base is nice and tacky. So there's that red. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Inferno out of the Carnival XL. And then I think I'm also gonna take the shade Boy Bye, and then Lit, and then Keen. take my Peaches and Cream pigment in the shade Pixie, and I'm going to put it along here. I'm going to take my Sheen Cosmetics liner, and this one is in the shade Ice Cream. And I think I'm going to do a little line. I really want this, I don't know, to pop. I'm actually really happy with how this is turning out so far. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and then we could, yes, I know. They closed the door on you, I know. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye, and then we can come back and finish up this eye. Alright, so I went ahead and I did this eye, and I also went ahead and I did my face makeup as well. Just because I really feel like with all the colors and stuff, really, you know, wanted to focus on the eyes. But I did decide, I was kind of unsure like what I wanted to do under my eyes, but I have decided. I'm just going to take the greens, so the shade Nuke, the Hype, and Ecstasy, and I'm going to just blend those under. I'm going to blend those under my eye, but first I'm going to take this Makeup Forever pencil in the shade Lagoon. Take it like majority of the way. I'm gonna leave this little space blank. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but and then I think I'm gonna take Lit, which is the orange. Right there. And then I'm going to take the shade Fortune, which is like a gold. So for my lashes, I'm going to go ahead and take my Amazon lashes. The big dramatic ones. My hair looks like a mess, but it's kind of like a cute mess, you know, like a poodle. Here is the completed look. I am really happy with how everything turned out, and I just wanted to give a real quick shout out to my lip combo because I always forget, and then when I go back in the video, I'm like, ooh, that's so pretty, like I want to do that again, and then I always forget what it is. So I used my LA Girl lip liner in Natural, and then I went in with my Half Cake lippy in Theme Song, and then right in the middle I went in with my Dose of Color in the shade Flirty, and it's a matte lip. Like, who am I never do matte lips. I always like gloss it up, but I feel like because the eyes are like nice and like shiny that it just kind of pulls everything together, you know. So yeah, that is these are the vibes. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments. Of course, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. You guys know me, all about those tutorials. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip.